So over here, you can see that I have an image and I'm going to go around, make some changes to this. I'm just going to move this around and maybe use the selection tool right here. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl V right here, move this around right here, use the brush tool, click and drag around right here and so forth. So this is what you have. So when I do this, what actually happens is I can go to Windows and onto history, and you can see that a history is saved out. I can go around and press Ctrl V right here, and then what happens is that whatever I copied, it just pastes out. I can go around, press Ctrl V again, and another copy pastes out. So if I want to clear these out, if I want to clear out history, and if I want to clear out the contents in clipboard right here, just like this, then you can go to Edit, onto Clear, and here you can see you can clear out everything like clipboard and content. But let me just go around and clear out history right here first, and it says it cannot be undone. So once I go around and press OK, you can see it clears out everything right here. So if I were to press Ctrl V again, you can see that it still has my content from the clipboard. So if I were to go around onto Edit right here and then go to Clear and click on clipboard contents and press OK, then it'll clear out the clipboard content. So if I were to press Ctrl V now, then nothing happens. And if I were to go around, click on Clear All, then what happens is that it clears out the history and the clipboard contents altogether. So that is how you can use the clear option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.